Halima from France.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. My question is, if a Muslimah unfortunately got kidnapped and killed by the sorcerers on the Day of Judgment, will the Muslimah be punished too, or she's not safe at all?
Who is going to hold her to account on the Day of Judgment? Halima?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Who is going to hold her to account on the Day of Judgment?
I don't know if Allah will hold her accountable for...
Of course, Allah will hold her accountable. So Allah is the one who is the fairest of all judges. If she had done something that allowed her to be kidnapped, assaulted, attacked, and it's her own wrongdoing, Allah will hold her accountable. If she didn't do any wrongdoing, if she didn't do anything that is blameworthy, Allah Azza wa Jal would not hold her accountable.